I've now finished doing my brim setup, or my crisscrossing of the stitches, and we're now going to join in the round. So we don't turn the work, this is the end of it where we want to bring the front around. And the most important part at this stage is that everything is nice and straight. So you can see the importance of having the right length needles here so that you're able to comfortably stretch this out without elongating the work. So this is where we're going to come, where we've got our work over here. Make sure my yarn is coming onto the side I want and that nothing is twisted. I'm going to place my marker for the start of the round, and then I'm just going to start working. Where are we? In ribbing. So it's just going to be 2 by 2 ribbing. So I'm just going to go, it'll be knit 2, snug this up, purl 2, and that's all I'm going to keep doing all the way around. So